Hello everyone, today I would like to talk about 7 techniques that will keep you safe on the road. Defensive driving, it is that techniques you use to secure yourself and your vehicle when driving. Those techniques some drivers do not know. I have 7 defensive driving techniques to show you and to teach you today. Follow me and watch this video till the end. Welcome back. Like I say, today I'm going to talk about 7 defensive driving techniques. The number 1 of it is take a break whenever it needs. Some drivers drive tirelessly, especially commercial driver. They drive to meet up their targets. They do not rest. When there is need for you to rest so that you prepare for the next journey. Number 2, avoid distractions. Avoid distractions like texting when driving, answer call when driving, avoid it. Avoid cell phone, avoid music, avoid anything music when driving. Be focused on your driving so that you will not get distractions. Avoid discussing and arguing when driving. Some drivers are discussed. They don't even care, they don't even know when they are driving. So avoid discussing and arguing when driving. Avoid eating and drinking. It causes distractions when driving. Number 3, driving within speed limits. As a defensive driving within a speed limit is very essential and very important. It might be safe to be speed up sometime, especially when a driver is in hurry to meet a delivery deadline. Breaking the speed limit can be very risky. Maintain the speed limit that suits for a weather conditions. Whether it's raining or it's not raining, maintain the speed limit. Number 4, beware of surrounding. Pay attention only to a car in your front. Pay attention to a car in your front. Beware of surrounding. Beware of the car that is coming at your back, and the car that is overtaking at your side, the car that is in your front. Beware of surrounding your vehicle. As a good driver, as a professional driver, you have to be aware. Watch your side mirror, your inner mirror, and get alert in everything you are doing for a defensive driving. Number 5, check your mirrors at all time. As a professional driver, check your mirror at all time. It's very important. Sometimes drivers only focus on what is ahead of them. Speeding drivers and emergency vehicles and other potential dangerous road users can unnotice and enter the road for them. So check your mirrors. Always check your side mirror and your inner mirror and be focused on vehicle. The last but not the least, number 7, driving according to the weather conditions. As I have mentioned, when the weather is bad, the roads may be slippery, the roads may be dry. When it's raining, kill your speed, slow down, don't speed. Thank you for watching this wonderful video. Please subscribe, turn on the notification button so that anytime I post a video you get a notifications. Like, share and comment on my video.